Hey, what's going on, guys? Okay, so in the last video where we left off, we did the design of the login form plus the validations. So in this video, we're going to be focusing on doing the master template for our application. So if you've seen the demo, the project intro video, the design that I went for was something similar to this. So now all the pages and all the routes are going to have pretty much the same layout. The only difference would be the this section over here where we have what you call it, where we have our content, where our content will be displayed. This possibly might take about 2 to 3 videos, I'm not sure. But what we will do is we will do the overall layout and then maybe focus on this menu panel over here. Okay, so within our within our application here, the first thing I need to do is let me just close all these tabs. All right, so within our views, I'm going to create a folder here. I'm just going to name it master. And then within there, I'll create a file called template. All right. And then the other folder, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a folder for the admins first, and then use that as our testing page. So within here, then I will create another file. Let's just say get okay. So now within our master template, I'm just gonna generate our boilerplate there, and then I will we will name we will name the pages as we go along. But for now, I'm just gonna keep it simple. So now, since we have this master template, since we have a boilerplate, I'm just gonna put an h1 tag there and just say template. Then now within our dashboard, how we can access this particular what you call it template is, again, we're going to be using a blade directive which comes with Laravel. So I'm going to say add extends, and then since the template is sitting within the master folder, what I have to now type in here is master and then dot template. So it's the name of the folder, then the template name or the file name, which is template.blade.php, and then that's it. So now I'm gonna now start off by creating the route for the admins. So I'm gonna say route, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say prefix, and then within here I'll say admin, and then I'm gonna say group, and then within here I'll say function, if I'm not mistaken, and then I'll do that. I hope I'm doing it right. But in any case, so within here we can then group all our routes that are gonna be in relation to the admins. So now I can say get, the name will be admin dot dashboard, and then the route is gonna be dashboard, and then I'm gonna say admin controller. I haven't created this yet, but we will do so in a moment. So I'm gonna say add get dashboard. Okay, and then now what I'll do now is create a controller for the admins. So I'm gonna say php artisan make, and then I'm gonna call it admin controller. Okay, and then within the admin controller, we're going to create our method. So it's going to be public, and then I said get dash dashboard. Uh, and I want to say return view. Now again, our dashboard page is sitting within the admin folder. So what I have to say is admin and then dot dashboard. So again, it's the name of the folder, then the name of the file. Okay, so let me just confirm. So it's admin dashboards and admin dashboards. And oh, by the way, so since we're prefixing this prefix method over here, what it's gonna do is every time we go to any link, it's gonna start off with the admin and then followed by the dashboard. I'll show you just now. So since we've done that, we can actually go and test it. So remember, it's admin and then dashboard. Okay, admin.dashboard, admin group function, and then dashboard. I type this correctly, admin controller. Oh, okay. Let's see what the problem is. Misspelled dashboard. Okay, let's try again. Okay, so as you can see, though we typed this template message over here or text over there within the master template, because we are extending it here, it then now we are then now able to access whatever is typed in or whatever this or whatever layout we set up here. So now with that being said, what I can do is there's another directive from Laravel where we can say yield, and then I can say, whoa, hold on. Now I'll say page title. Okay, so now since we did this with this yield method over here or directive over here within the dashboard page, how we can then now what we can then now do is something like section and then type in that page. We can type in that name there for the yield, and then within there we can then type dashboard. So then what this will do is then inject that dashboard name over there or text over there, and it will inject it there where it says title. And the other thing is so oh yeah, so if you check here now, it doesn't say dashboard, it only says document. So if we do refresh, it's now going to say dashboard. So basically that's what we're going to do. We're going to be doing our layout here, and then we will be doing or we will be injecting these yield functions in certain areas of the page, and then that's how we will differentiate between the layouts for the admins and the clients. All right, now so the first thing I need to do is I'm going to create a wrapper here. Okay, then I'm going to create another CSS file within here. So we're going to say main.css. I think that's all we need. I can actually add also the background color. It's going to be same as the login page, which would be F2F2. All right. So now we're going to grab the wrapper. Just going to give it a border now so that we can see what we're looking at. I'll say width 100% and then height of 100%. Okay, let's just see how it looks. Uh, oh, sorry, I forgot about that. So we need to then now access the that main.css what you call it file. So it's CSS and then main.css. I might as well also get the Bootstrap file as well. Okay, so let's just see now. Okay, so that's our wrapper over there with the red border. So now the first thing we need to do is create two columns, the nav panel and the main content area. So here within the wrapper, so the box one, then I'm gonna call it nav panel, and the other one is gonna be box two. I'll say okay. So the first thing I'll do is with the wrapper, the styling that I'm gonna put in here, I'm gonna say display and say flex, and then I think that's it. Yeah, and then I'm gonna grab the first box, which is this one over here. I'll say box one. So I'll say flex basis, going to be about 270 pixels. I'm going to also give it a border. I want to say green or green yellow. Okay, so let me just check it out. Okay, so that's the box there. Then I'm gonna give it a background color. So the one that I'm going to take is from this one over here. And then we can then now remove this border. Okay, let's check it out. All right, there it is over there. So now we might as well take the second box as well. And then this, I'll just say the flex basis will be, let me just say 100%. And then I'll also give it a border just to see how it lines up. So X. So check it out. Okay, so that's the border there. Right, so I'm just gonna remove them for now, along with the wrapper. Okay, so I'm gonna focus on this area for now within this video. So what I need to do is just put in the title of the application there. So what I'll say is it's gonna create a div. So I'm gonna give it that main font, or actually, yeah, I'm gonna say main font, and then I'll say white. So now in the login form, remember we did this font styling here. So I'm gonna copy this so that I can also have it here within the main.css file. Then I'm gonna create a second one. Let's say white, and then change that color to white. Let me see if it reflects. Okay, there we have it. Okay, so I just want to align it, so I'm going to say text center, and then give it some padding and say padding all around. I'll just say 3. Okay, so that's the name there. Now the other thing that we needed to create, well, I'm going to leave out the search button for now. I'm just going to create the nav for the time being. So right below it, I'm going to say navigation. Okay, so I'll say I'm gonna give it a bootstrap class here, which is gonna be list group, and then list group flush, and then I'll say li and bg doc. Let me just see dashboard. Then again, I'm gonna say secondary fonts, which I'm gonna do the exact same thing that I did with the main fonts. This one, I don't think I'll make it completely white, but I'll just make it somewhere near there. Okay. What else? Oh yeah, I forgot about font awesome. So I also need to import that as well. And then I'll say assets, and then I think it's CSS, and then I think it's all.css. So in order for us to see if it will appear, I think I need to okay, so when you see these icons, these elements over here, and you see me putting these classes here, these are font awesome classes. These are not bootstrap classes. This is so that you can have an icon next to our elements there. So yeah. All right, so let's just see how it looks. Okay, D flex. What am I doing here? I think this needs to be, I don't know, I think it's between the A tags. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Um, why am I getting this wrong? Uh, yeah, so I need to put this within the li tags and then align it with the anchor tag there. But for some odd reason, it's playing around with me. Okay, but in any case, let me just leave the icon out for now. We'll deal with that later. Okay, list group. Oh, I think I know. It's supposed to be list group item here. No wonder it was giving me those issues. I actually forgot to say list group item over there. Let me see if that will sort out the issue with the anchor tag, with the icon. Yeah, there you have it. All right, so my mistake was forgot to actually say list group item, not list group. All right, so it's deflex. I'm gonna say align, align. Okay. All right, so just gonna add other links here that we're gonna need. So I'm gonna say I'm just gonna copy this line here and then paste it a couple of times. I'm gonna say client. Um, all right. Then now I just want to decrease this font just a little bit. So since we're using the white one, I'm gonna say um, let's do 12 pixels. Okay, so those are our links over there. Now I want to change the anchor text over there. So what I'll do is I'm gonna give this an ID. So again, I want to target the anchor tags and say text decoration and say none, and then color. I'll just give it that. Let's check it now. Okay. All right. So that's our navigation list. I think I should end the video from at this point. I will explain later on because obviously the navigation that we're setting up here, it's going to be different on the client side. So for now, we'll leave this here, but I will show you how we can dynamically input this navigation list, and then we will also change the icons as well for the. In fact, we can actually do it now. It doesn't really take that long. So I'll say this because it's clients, it will be users. This one will be user, and then system services. What did I do? I would say call. Hopefully that shows up. Okay, so that's our icons there. All right, guys, I think I should end the video here. And then within the next video, we're just gonna continue with this. We will be working on this side of the layout, and then hopefully we might finish up some of the other elements, like also dynamically adding these navigation lists. All right, guys. Again, thanks for watching. For those of you who haven't done so already, please like, share, and subscribe if you like what you've seen so far. And then I'll see you guys within the next video. Cheers for now.